Are you looking for the perfect cocktail for summer? Well, today we are making a delicious blueberry mojito pitcher that is so tasty. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen/garden. If you are also looking for just a blueberry mojito and you don't want a whole pitcher, I have a delicious recipe that I will link down below. Also, I have a bunch of other mojito pitchers that I think you'll love. I have a mango mojito, a blackberry, a classic, and a strawberry mojito pitcher. So the first thing you're going to want to have is some blueberries, and I just washed them. And this is about a heaping cup of blueberries. And to that, I'm going to add half a cup of fresh mint. Now that I've given this a rough muddle, I'm going to add in 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now I am going to take my muddler and really muddle all of this together to let out all those flavors. Now that this is completely muddled together, I am going to strain it. This is completely optional. If you want to keep it a little chunky, you can and just add it to your pitcher. But personally, I don't really love a chunky drink. This is just personal preference. And I also don't like having seeds or like the blueberry skins in my teeth. Next, you can't forget to add some rum to your mojito. But if you're doing this as a mocktail, you can skip this step. But I like to add about 2 cups of rum. You can always make it boozier or less boozy. And wow, I had exactly 2 cups of rum. All right, let's add this in. Next, I have some simple syrup just to sweeten our drink. I like to start with about 3/4 of a cup. And then if you want to add more sweetness to it, I like to go up to a cup. But sometimes you never know how sweet your fruit is going to be, and I don't like an overly sweet drink. To make this, I just took 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sugar completely dissolves. And you can use club soda or sparkling water. Personally, I love using Topo Chico. It's 0 calories and it's a bit more bubbly. So let's open some bottles. And for this, I like to add anywhere from 4 to 6 cups. I really just like to fill it up to the brim. But if you are serving this drink at a party, I do recommend don't add your Topo Chico until your guests arrive because you don't want your bubbly to go flat. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious? And now it's my favorite time of any video. It is getting to taste our beautiful cocktail. Wow, that is so yummy. You really taste the blueberries and it's very light, very refreshing, not too sweet, and perfect for a hot summer day like today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Cheers.